Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix a Gorenje dishwasher not draining, clog removal and pump repair guide. First, identify causes. Blockages usually stem from clogged filters, a kin drain hose, or a jammed drain pump impeller. Apply fixes. Clean the filter system, clear hose obstructions, and ensure the pump impeller can spin freely. Fix 1. Clear filters and check for clogs. Open the dishwasher door and remove the lower basket. Now twist the cylindrical microfilter counterclockwise and lift it out of the sump base. Separate the coarse mesh screen from the central plastic filter cylinder. Now wash all the components thoroughly under warm running water using a soft brush to remove grease and food particles. Fix 2. Inspect the sump basin. Check the exposed sump basin where the filter sits for trapped food chunks, bones, broken glass, or labels. Use a small sponge or rag to scoop out any standing water so you can see the bottom clearly. Now wipe the area clean before reinstalling the filter assembly. Fix 3. Inspect the drain hose and plumbing. Check the hose alignment. Pull the dishwasher out from the cabinetry to inspect the full length of the drain hose. Straighten any kinks or sharp bends that might restrict water flow. Now ensure the hose runs through a high loop or is attached to an air gap before entering the household drain to prevent sink water from siphoning back into the dishwasher. Fix 4. Check the sink connection. Disconnect the drain hose from the sink spigot or garbage disposal unit. Inspect the interior of the spigot connector for solid debris accumulation. If the dishwasher was recently installed, ensure the knockout plug inside the new garbage disposal spigot has been completely removed. Fix 5. Clear or replace the drain pump. First, access the pump impeller. Locate the small plastic pump cover inside the bottom of the filter sump basin, usually screwed by a single Torx screw or a plastic clip. Remove the screw or unclip the cover to expose the propeller blades. Now use your fingers or a screwdriver to check if the impeller spins freely, and remove any wrapped hairs, threads, or shards blocking it. Fix 6. Test or replace the pump motor. If the impeller spins freely but the machine still will not drain, lay the dishwasher on its back to access the bottom panel. Now disconnect the electrical wiring harness from the drain pump motor. Use a multimeter to test the pump terminals for electricity continuity. If the meter reads open loop or if the motor hums loudly without turning during a cycle, the drain pump is faulty and must be replaced. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.